the industry is ideally placed to play a part in the Build Back Better mantra following the economic damage brought about by the pandemic. I can only see further new and secondary issuance in the alternative space, particularly in the likes of wind, solar, energy efficiency, waste management, battery storage, etc. But with an increasing geographic spread of exposure and additional new sustainable technologies. The ESG credentials of these areas of investments are clear, but the investment company structure is also a world beater for long-term investment in illiquid assets.
I think there are huge opportunities for the investment company sector, and primarily as a result of offering something different. And if we look at new issuance in the sector over recent years, 75% of that has been in alternative asset classes, areas such as infrastructure, renewables, specialist property and debt. And that continues to be the area that I think will be the focus for issuance from new and existing funds as investment companies take advantage of the structural ability to hold less liquid asset classes. And that universe of less liquid might be expanding as well, as we've seen institutional equity investors after scandals such as Woodford being less comfortable holding small caps. And you've got the FCA focusing on property open-ended funds and perhaps redemption periods coming into those. So that could lead to other areas where investment companies might become the route of choice for new issuance.
The greatest opportunities for the investment trust sector, investment company sector is twofold, I believe. One, to try and capture new investors, be more proactive in marketing to a younger audience, for example. And secondly, to also try and capture, from an investment perspective, illiquidity, whereas shares that are illiquid in the marketplace, or even companies that have gone private or still private, and try and capture those opportunities. Because as we know, increasingly, a lot of great companies, whereas in the US or in Asia, are increasingly staying private. So investment trusts have a great opportunity within their unique model to try and capture those private opportunities within their kind of investment framework.